Hello guys, how are you? Hope you are all will be fine. Guys, welcome back to again my channel, and my today's video is about password safety and its accessibility at anywhere at any time. In these days, a smartphone user uses lots of applications and websites, and they are required to register in them, and we never be remember the passwords of all these applications and can't keep the same password in all these applications. So it's a big problem to remember these passwords. So in this video I will give you a brilliant tip to get rid of this problem, so keep watching this video till end. But before starting my video, it's my humble request to my new viewers, please subscribe my channel and click the bell button to get notification about my upcoming videos. So without wasting our time, let's start our video. So guys, let me show you first that as you can see, this is an application and me just access my email and password. This is another application and I can access my email password here too really easily in a single tap. And this is a Chrome, and we can also easily access our email and password at there. And let me show another application. This is another application, it's a smart TV application, and let me show you, this is same like a Netflix, and this is, and you can see I can easily access my password at there. So you can also access your password if you are using this step at anywhere in any device, or even in a Chrome. So you just have to check that your Google account from your Android phone. So let me show you. First of all, we have to go to the setting, and in setting you need to find out a Google, and as you can see my Google account is here. I will click on it. After clicking it's Autofill. Yes, click on Autofill. When we click on Autofill, then click Autofill with Google, and here this is the last option is password. This is, click on it. As you can see, these are all applications which me registered, and my password is safe at there. So you can also save your password by just clicking on Autofill. Normally by default Autofill is on. You just need to check that it's on or not. And if you forget your password for a particular website and you want to open it on your system, or you want to give your password to someone else and you don't know your password, you can check from here. Let me show how. Just click on this and give your password, and then here it is. This is my username and password for cam scanner, and as you can see, this is my password for cam scanner. We can edit our password here, and we can also delete from here. So guys, it's really handy feature. It must be useful for all smartphone users. And so guys, this was my today's video, and hope you like it. If you like this video, please click the like button and share with your friends. And if you have any question and query about this video, you can write in the comments, or you can mail me at my email address. I must reply you at the earliest. So at last, take care. See you for the next video. Take care. Bye bye.